Hey, this is Jay Freeborn of Washington Tax, a nearly 30-year veteran of solving tax problems here at WATAX.com. Today's topic is dealing with IRS levies and what's the history behind it. The IRS levies are sourced from IRS collections within the Department of Treasury. You can experience an actual levy by having your wages garnished, your bank account frozen, or by having accounts receivable if you're in business for yourself, levied, or a house seized or property. Those are the main kind of collection activity that you're going to see. But I want to give you a broader history of how collections works, as I have been doing this for almost 30 years. Collections are a function of the IRS's budget, the political vibes of the time, and we will say that the 90s was probably the height of collections. A lot of companies in this space kind of came into being during that time because levies were so active and people desired representation. Our company was founded in the late 80s during that time. In the 2000s, the IRS definitely reduced its collection activity, largely due to congressional budgetary stuff and other cultural, influences. And around 2016, the IRS, particularly automated collection systems, which is the largest office of collections in the IRS, dramatically reduced levy activity. In fact, by the time COVID came, ACS, as we call it, stopped levying, period. And I'm going to tell you in another video what's happening now. But revenue officers that are assigned to cases that for people that owe a lot of money, they have been levying throughout the 30 years that I've been doing this. And so this conversation exempts them. They continue to seize, levy, garnish, or levy accounts receivable. But ACS has definitely had its ups and downs in collections. So breaking news on levies in 2025, pretty dramatic news. I mean, really, as I have been somebody that's been in this industry for almost 30 years, the IRS is seriously levying people, including automated collection systems and revenue officers. There seems to have been a missive from up top, I think through Scott Bessent, the Department of Treasury, who had mentioned that enforcement was a priority of the administration, that they should levy people who owe money, particularly wealthy people and people who owe a lot. I think I saw an ACS levy on a person's stock portfolio. I haven't seen that since 2015, to be honest. And so if you owe the IRS a lot or have unfiled years, naturally you should get in touch with a tax professional like those of us at Washington Tax Services, WATAX.com. Collections is real. And if you're wealthy or have high income, you should definitely get into compliance, avoid hardship and levies, but they are for real. And this is the biggest switch in collections I've seen, genuinely, honest to goodness, in 10 years. So be on the lookout for IRS letters. Make sure your address is current, and contact a professional like myself, Jay Freeborn at Washington Tax, WATAX.com. Good luck.